5 reasons to redesign your website now. In a world where websites are often the first impression potential customers get of your business, having an up-to-date website is essential. A website redesign can help breathe new life into your site and give it an edge in the crowded digital landscape. From increased engagement to increased revenue, there are countless reasons why you should consider redesigning your website now. In this blog post, we'll break down 5 of the most compelling reasons to take on a website redesign project and make your site stand out from the competition. Your website is outdated. If your website looks like it was designed in the early 2000s, it's time for a redesign. Websites have come a long way in the last 20 years, and your customers will expect you to keep up with the times. A dated website can make your business look out of touch and behind the times. A good website design should be modern, clean, and easy to use. Navigation should be intuitive and clear, and pages should load quickly. If your website doesn't meet these basic standards, it's time for a redesign. Your website is not mobile-friendly. If you're still using a desktop-only website in 2018, it's time for a redesign. Mobile internet usage has surpassed desktop usage for years now, and yet many businesses still haven't made their websites mobile-friendly. If your website isn't mobile-friendly, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to reach your target audience. A mobile-friendly website is one that is designed to be used on a mobile device, such as a smartphone or tablet. Mobile-friendly websites are typically responsive, meaning they automatically adjust to fit the screen size of the device they're being viewed on. This ensures that users have a good experience no matter what device they're using. If your website isn't mobile-friendly, it's likely that users will have difficulty viewing it on their devices. This can lead to them quickly leaving your site in favor of one that is designed for their device. In addition, Google favors mobile-friendly websites when determining search rankings, so if your website isn't mobile-friendly, it's likely that you're missing out on potential customers who are searching for your business online. Making your website mobile-friendly doesn't have to be difficult or expensive. There are plenty of tools and resources available to help you get started. If you're not sure where to start, our team of experts can help guide you through the process and ensure that your new website is optimized for both desktop and mobile. Related article: Professional Website Design Services. Your website is not ranking well on search engines. If your website isn't ranking well on search engines, it's time for a redesign. There are a number of factors that contribute to how well your website ranks on search engines. Search engine algorithms are constantly changing and becoming more sophisticated, so it's important to keep up with the latest trends in SEO. In addition, your website's design, content, and user experience all play a role in its search engine ranking. If your website isn't performing as well as you'd like it to on search engines, then it's time for a redesign. By improving your website's SEO and making sure it has high-quality content and a great user experience, you can boost your rankings and get more traffic. You're not getting enough leads from your website. If you're not getting enough leads from your website, it might be time for a redesign. Here are 4 reasons to consider a redesign. 1. Your website is outdated and doesn't reflect your current business. 2. Your website isn't mobile-friendly, and potential customers are going elsewhere. 3. Your website isn't optimized for search engines, so you're missing out on valuable traffic. 4. Your website isn't conversion-friendly, so visitors aren't taking the actions you want them to take. Related article: Tips that can help in skyrocketing your business through local SEO. Your website doesn't reflect your brand well. If your website is outdated, doesn't reflect your current brand, or just doesn't look good, it's time for a redesign. A well-designed website is essential for any business and can help you attract new customers and grow your business. Here are some signs that it's time to redesign your website. 1. Your website doesn't reflect your brand well. If your website looks dated or doesn't accurately reflect your brand, it's time for a refresh. Your website should be an accurate representation of your company and should be updated regularly to reflect any changes in your brand. 2. You're not getting any traffic. If you're not getting any traffic to your website, it may be due to poor design or lack of optimization. A redesign can help you attract more visitors to your site and can also help you rank higher in search engines. 3. Your website isn't mobile-friendly. With more and more people using mobile devices to access the internet, it's important to make sure your website is optimized for mobile. If your site isn't mobile-friendly, you could be losing out on potential customers. How to redesign your website. 1. How to redesign your website. A website redesign can be a great way to refresh your online presence and improve your customers' experience. But where do you start? Here are a few tips. 1. Define your goals. What do you want to achieve with your redesign? More sales? More leads? Better brand awareness? 2. Research your competition. See what other businesses in your industry are doing with their websites. Use this as inspiration, but don't copy it directly. 3. Know your audience. Who is your target market? What do they want to see on your website? Take some time to create personas for your ideal customers and design with them in mind. 4. Simplify. A cluttered, busy website will only frustrate visitors. Keep things clean and easy to navigate so users can find what they're looking for quickly. 5. Use visuals. People are visual creatures, so make sure your website is pleasing to the eye. Use high-quality images, videos, and infographics to break up text and keep people engaged. 6. Pay attention to mobile. In today's world, it's essential that your website looks good on all devices, from phones to laptops. Make sure your design is responsive, so it can be accessed no matter where someone is trying to view it from. 7. Test, test, test. Before you launch your new site, put it through its paces. Conclusion. The benefits of redesigning your website are plentiful. It allows you to keep up with the latest web design trends and technologies, improve usability for visitors, stay ahead of the competition, increase website traffic, and make your brand more recognizable. All in all, it's a great investment that can pay off in many ways. So if you feel like your website could use an update or refreshment, don't hesitate. Redesigning now will save you headaches down the line and help you get the maximum return on investment. Get in touch with GBN Web Development if you have questions or need help for a fair price.